Hi guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful Christmas centerpiece. Now it's really easy and simple to make, just like all my other videos. Now if you've just got some old picture frames left in the house and you don't know what to do with them, then you can just add a piece of paper on top of there, and then you can add a wonderful theme like this, or you can put candles on there, a tiny bit of ivy around it, and it make it look really nice because you've got that nice edge. Now these are just ornaments that I just had left over, didn't know what to do with them, so I've put them on there. And all these little trees here I've actually made myself, so you've made a really nice good theme. So if you really want to know how I made this one, keep watching and I'll show you how to make it. First of all, you'll need yourself an old picture frame. Now I'm going to keep the picture in there because after Christmas I can take the stuff off and have back the picture, but this has been the back of the cupboard a couple of years, so I'm going to use this one. So you need a large one or a small one, the size is up to you. Next is that you'll need some white paper. Now this is drawing paper that I've used in previous videos, and just lay it across the top and then cut out the actual size that you need. This is the one that I've got here, and then all we're going to do is glue that down. So now I'm going to use some PVA glue and I'm just going to put it onto the glass itself. I can get this off after. Tiny little bit of acetone will help get this off after anyway. And once that is on there, I'm not going quite close to the edge because I don't want the glue or anything to touch the side. So after that is done, just place your piece of paper on top and then leave to dry. Next I'm going to use some of this photo paper. Now this, I'm going to use this because it's sort of like a thick card, but if you haven't got any paper then just use thick card, but I'm going to use this because it's been in my cupboard for a number of years, so I thought I'd use it up. So all you need to do is just cut some large and small triangles out of that. And you can either use it the glossy way or that way. And then we also need to make some of these, which are also going to be our trees as well. And then all you need to do is just get some corrugated cardboard. You can get these from a local craft shop. And then all you need to do with that is just, don't be scared of anything. Just cut something out what you think that will do, and if you make a mistake, redo it. And then just cut some triangles out of it. Next, to decorate these trees, I'm going to use this beautiful tissue paper. It's got beautiful hearts on, and I've used these in many of my other crafts. In fact, I think it was my 50p Christmas tree. So this is the actual paper itself, and it's so beautiful. I love hearts, absolutely adore it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open it out, and I'm going to lay where I'm going to put my Christmas trees, just so I don't waste this beautiful paper because I absolutely adore it. So what I'm going to do there is that I'm going to glue them down. So we'll start with this one. So this is what I'm going to show you, and all you need to do, PVA, I'm going to turn it over, and we're just going to stick it down. And that's so simple. I'm going to do the others. So now I'm going to leave these to dry. Next we're just going to glue some sticks to the back. and let them dry. So what we're going to do now is we're going to paint them. So you just need a tiny little paintbrush, and I just use some any paint, any white paint that you've got at home. Remember, reuse and recycle whatever you've got. And then all you need to do is just like adding snow. And you keep doing this all the way to the top. So now it looks like it's been in the snow. All we need to do is sprinkle some glitter on it. And there is a nice sparkly Christmas tree. Now we do that with the rest of these as well. So now we need to cut out our trees from earlier. So we're just going to cut these out. It's going to have to be neat first. That will be our little tree. So if we just trim everything off. And then that is our other trees. So now all we have to do is just do the same as we did with the other trees. So again, you can use tiny little sticks again and place a stick along the line. Or if you've got anything else as well at home, that these are like skewers, but they're not actual proper skewers. But if you can just find anything that you can reuse, and then that'd be perfect. And that will be your other Christmas trees. So this is our board, and it's all nice and dry. Now we're just going to add some extra bits to it now before we start putting all the other trees in. I've got these and I've painted these. They're actually weeds that they've dried out, and I've painted them white, and I've also put some glitter on top of there as well. So these are going to be my trees sort of in the distance here. I've got some more the other side, so I'm just going to glue these down. So all you need to do is just glue on the bottom here. Decide where you're going to put it. I think I'm going to put it there. And then I'm just going to use the glue gun, and I'm just going to drip it all the way around, and that will secure it actually to the base. It'll also look like it's got frost as well at the bottom. So do the same again, glue at the bottom. Decide where you want to put it. I think it will go there. And then the same where we did it again, we're just going to glue all the bottom of the base. And it doesn't matter if it looks not very neat or anything like that, because we don't want to make it look neat. It's like a tree trunk at the bottom. So these are our trees at the moment. Beautiful trees. And they're just stuck at the bottom there. But these are our trees that we made earlier, and I think they absolutely are so beautiful, so sparkly. And our other one as well, because I absolutely adore hearts, and hearts have to be on everything more or less that I make. So we're just going to do exactly what we did with the trees before, and I'm going to put one there. So glue the bottom again, just slightly off centre. So they stand up just like that, but I just want a bit of extra at the bottom. And then these ones. One to go there. Glue the bottom. I'm going to put one slightly forwards. I've got a larger one. I'm going to place that way behind. Now this is our beautiful Christmas forest, and I think it looks beautiful like that, but now we're just going to add some extra detail to the front. Now these are leftover Christmas decorations, ornaments that have just been left in the box, and I've got this little lady here. I've got these two beautiful sweet little girls here. She's saying hi, and I've got this beautiful reindeer. Now all these are just left in the box. I've got nowhere to put them, so I thought I'd make this. So I'm going to place one here. I think it's going to look lovely. This one here, and I'm going to add two of the girls there, and that's making the scene up really nice as it is. So I'm just going to glue them down. I'm going to glue his paws down, or hooves, not paws, like that, and he's doesn't move already, look. And these are beautiful. Isn't she sweet? And to make it look a bit snowy, I'm just going to use some cotton wool balls, and all I'm going to do is just pull it all out, just stretch it. So this is going to be like the snow on the floor. It's like a little snowdrift. I'm just going to just bits of glue. And then we're just going to put a little bit at the back. And I've got a tiny bit of glitter glue. And that's my beautiful festive scene. Thanks for watching, and I really hope that you've enjoyed the video. I think I might do this in my bay at the front of my house, and I think I might cover the whole lot and have like a whole Christmas theme along it. Remember, just pieces of paper, pieces of cardboard, a few sticks. If you can make them with the kids and get the kids involved, I really like that option. Getting the kids involved, especially at this time of the year as well. If you've liked the video, then give me a little thumbs up. If you've really liked it and you're new to the channel, then consider subscribing, and don't forget to press that notification bell and all, and then that will let you know when I've made my next creation.